So we're here sa Pastaholic again with Darlo. This time, we're eating solo lasagna, baked lasagna, and shrimp alfredo. And this one is, what's this, Dar? Choco Nutella.
Yeah.
So how's the alfredo, Dar?
It's
Do
good.
you like it?
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Let me give you a basta, guys. Pastaholic dessert talaga. Tapos yung lasagna naman, sakto lang. Lami. Yeah.
Sakto pero
Lami po siya.
Yeah.
Pero mas lami magulong Alfredo. So,
Aha.
deserve. Alfredo. Ang next ako i-try kay ko shrimp carbonara.
Yeah, what else?
Spaghetti.
I don't like spaghetti.
I like spaghetti.
Malaman kasi big, spicy.
So kaya i-try na po sunod, guys. Abangan.
Ay, garlic.
Speaking of bread, lamig din yung bread ba? Kaya last time, wala ako nakaka-out bread kaya wala out of stock. Pag wala bread, mag-discount lang sila 15 pesos.
Ilahan ni on.
I think, but lamig kaya yung timpla.
May ilahan ni Day. Ilahan ni on bread.
Love it.
I mean,
Try
I
mo
haven't
na.
tried it yet.
Yeah,
But
try it
I
na.
will try. Be. Mas the best yung sa'yo.
Naday ko.
Brownies.
Nataka ko na. Never ako gumawa ng cake, Leche flan naman.
Leche flan di ay.
Cheesecake, what else?
It's too sweet.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Nakatry ko make of
So awkward.
cookies. Madaghan kay nuts.
Mm-hmm.
2025, na crazy ko baking. Early 2025.